Interface Segregation Principle. Ever had to implement an interface with 3 methods, but you only needed one? That's not convenience, that's code torture. Today, let's fix that with the Interface Segregation Principle, the I in solid. The core idea, the interface. Segregation principle says, no client should be forced to depend on methods it does not use. In other words, don't make your classes sign up for a full gym membership when they only need the treadmill. Imagine we have an interface called iMachine with methods: print, scan, and fax. Now you create a printer class that only prints, but it's forced to implement all 3 methods. So, what do? You leave scan, and fax empty, or worse, throw not supported exceptions. Boom! You just broke the interface segregation principle. The consequence: that's like hiring a delivery driver and making them cook, clean, and manage accounting. They'll either fake it or quit. In software, that leads to fragile, confusing, and hard-to-test systems. Every time the interface changes, even classes that don't use those methods need updating. Create separate interfaces: iPrinter, iScanner, and iFax machine. Now your printer class only implements iPrinter. A multifunction device can implement all 3 if it needs to. The code becomes cleaner, testing easier, and adding new devices feels effortless. Everyone does exactly what they're designed for, nothing more. That's interface segregation in real-world action. Clarity over clutter. Let's bring this to life. Think of it like restaurant menus. If you're at a pizza shop, you don't want to scroll through seafood, sushi, and tacos. You want a focused menu that serves one purpose well. In code, small interfaces are like focused menus: clear, predictable, and easy to use. Interface segregation helps your software grow gracefully. When interfaces are lean, changes in one part of the system don't ripple through others. Testing becomes easier, maintenance becomes faster, and developers stay happy, which might be the biggest win of all. Quick recap. Let's summarize. Don't force classes to implement things they don't need. Split large interfaces into smaller, focused ones. Let clients depend only on what they actually use. That's how you keep your software modular, flexible, and truly solid. The interface segregation principle is the I in solid, a small change that prevents massive headaches. I'm Ashish Kumar. Thanks for watching. Keep your contracts clean and your interfaces lean.